Hi guys, I'm Sarah and today I am going to be making a super duper yummy summer type dessert called Ambrosia. Now this is not only yummy but it is simple. Bonus. It's actually Christmas here at the moment. I'm actually doing this for Christmas lunch dessert today, and it also gives me an excuse to introduce our latest family member. Thank you to my amazing mother-in-law Teresa for gifting this to me. It's her second-hand kitchen aid, so it has been passed down to me. I am absolutely in love with it, and I've named him Dave. So anyway, Dave's going to whip some cream. There's going to be about 12 of us, so I figure it won't matter if I make a bit too much. It's not like it's going to be wasted. Yeah. That's pretty good, I reckon.
Bye-bye, Dave.
These were one of my Christmas presents, some nice big fancy spoons.
From me.
Recipes for people's ambrosia tend to vary. I'm actually cheating with my yogurt. I am using store-bought yogurt, which is not like me. However, I just don't have enough of my usual. I was going to make a big batch of my Greek yogurt, turn it into vanilla. I've got a video on how to do that. It's basically icing, sugar and vanilla essence. Spoiler alert. But time just wasn't allowing. You know how Christmas goes, and so we just went out yesterday and bought a tub of vanilla yogurt. You can use vanilla yogurt, you can use berry yogurt, you can use plain Greek yogurt, whatever you like. I'm going to, quantity wise, I'm going to put about half of this in and just see how it seems. Okay, I'm winging this. Look. I'll dollop it in. Yummy!
Really?
I'm going to very gently fold this in. Might put a little bit more yogurt in. And now, other stuff to go in. I'll put some fruit in here. I like berries. I've actually got some blackberries that we picked last year from our land that we still had just about, you know, a cup and a bit worth still in the freezer. So I've defrosted them, so I'm putting some blackberries in and also some raspberries, which our bushes are going nuts at the moment. Loving it. So I'm going to chuck some of our blackberries and raspberries in here. They'll kind of be mixed together. I have meringues, I have marshmallows, I have chocolate flakes. Oh yeah. Crumble some of these meringues in. I mean really, this really is quite a health food if you just overlook all the sugar. The marshmallows, I'm not going to put these in whole, I'm going to chop them. If you got little mini marshmallows, of course, just put them in whole, but you know. A nice mixture of pink and white. I actually like the white ones better. Flaky chocolate batter. Oh yeah, or you can just use sprinkles or whatever. I mean, as you've gathered that, oops, I should unwrap it. As you probably gathered, there really are no rules here. Alright, and then smoosh it. Chuck a few more raspberries through this. Yeah. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's gonna make it a bit pretty. Now here's the thing, as it's Christmas here today, and I'm actually taking this to share with people, I'm not going to do a taste test for you. But we all know what it's going to taste like. Come on. You can't go wrong there. There we go. Give it a go. Hit like, leave me a comment, subscribe. I hope you had a great Christmas. I make some of this. Bye.